Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to my new cowl, my new crochet along. A lot of people have been asking me to do this one because they loved it. So what I'm going to do is a blanket with my circle in the sand square. So I made a couple of these already, but I just made them out of scrap yarns, so I probably won't be able to use these ones. I could probably frog it back and use the centre and just introduce some new colours. But you can make it in just, say, yellow and white with this coloured centre, or you can make it all of the Easter colours. Now I brought this pack, I'll try and show it to you. I brought this pack from Aldi last year when they did their yarn event, and it was £4.99, which was £5 really, and in that you get sort of 500 grams of those colours because each ball is a 50-gram ball. It's lovely and soft, but of course you can use any yarn. Now this is Robin Paintbox. It's a DK weight, and I've got 3 balls of this. I don't intend really that I will use that much, probably just use one to be fair, but the rest can be kept for another project if I don't need it, or if I have to go over, then I've got some handy. But I know in the US you may not be able to get hold of this. If you search, you might be able to, but if not, there are plenty of yarns that are very similar to this in the USA. Just takes a little bit of looking for pastel variegated yarn. Now this is a DK weight, which is a 3 weight in the US. If you do use it, it's 300 meters. It's a lovely soft acrylic, and I love it. I love the colours of this. I did experiment using the other ranges that they had. Well, only one of them, to be honest with you. It was this colourway, if I can find it. There we go. And although it's pretty, when I made it up, I really didn't feel it was as pretty as the yellow one. The colours are nice, don't get me wrong. So if you wanted to make it out of a different colourway, then you could. But I found it just a little bit too dark for what I wanted to do. This was, after all, going to be predominantly a Easter pretty colour blanket, but you can go for whatever colours you like. And if you wanted to use this as well to edge, that would look really effective as well. So just kind of, I'll give you the pattern, and basically you just make as many squares as you want your blanket to be. Now I'm going to just do really a lap ganz, so it will probably be, I would say about 6 to 8 wide and the same down, depending on how big it gets. So as long as you've got enough yarn to make your squares the size you want. And so this one for now is just letting you know what I'm going to be doing. Now what I'll do is, there is already a tutorial for my circle in the sand square, so if you want to start already, you can get on with that. But I thought it might be for beginners. I'm going to do it again, and I'm just going to do the centerpiece for part 1 and finish it off for part 2. That way, should anybody need to keep referring back, they can just go to part 1 if they want this, and part 2 if they want the outer bit. So I'll do that again, but as I said, it's already on there. It's called Circle in the Sand if you just want to get on straight away and start making your squares. So I'll do that in a second anyway. I'll pop on parts 1 and part 2 for the cowl. Well, this would be part 1, so that'll be 2 and 3, won't it really? So and then we'll just all get on and make our squares, and then I'll do some joining videos, give you a couple of different methods to join. I've already got a few joins in my playlist that is edges, it might be edges, borders and joins, or edges and joins. I'm having trouble with my teeth today. They are my own, I promise. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just going to incorporate some of these colours, so mine won't all be yellow. I'll have some that are the red. Well, it's red. It's pink, Tracy. Pink, peach colour. I've got mint green, blue and yellow. So I'm going to do all of those colours and just randomly attach mine. I'm not going to have too much of a plan on which colours go where. I just think it'd be nice to I might just kind of, you know, make sure that I've not got the same ones next to each other in some way, but just randomly have them dotted about. I think that would be pretty. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. And if you would please like and share this video. I'm really trying to grow my channel and get more coverage. So if you wouldn't mind, just like and share. Thank you very much, and watch out very, very soon for parts 2 and 3. And but I don't think as I've really, it just depends how big you want it as to how much yarn that you'll need for your squares. But just make sure that you have enough. If you want to do this in another yarn, I'm using a 3-weight because it's spring, so we don't really want it to be thick and heavy here. So, but if you want to make it out of a 4-weight, then by all means, all you need to do is up your hook size. I'm going to use a 4.5 for this because it's DK, and it looks nice in a 4.5. I think these might have been a 5. I'll have to check with my previous tutorial what I used. But thank you much for watching. I told you I'm having trouble with these teeth. I don't really know what's going on with them. But thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, everyone.